Hey guys, let's unbox the Equitas debit card which I got recently after opening the account in niyox bank. So let's unbox it. This is the box. Here you can see it. Here is the logo. Here is the address back on the side. Here is the branding. So let's unbox it. Here is the debit card in the center, pure black. The debit card number is on the back. Here is the chip. Here is the branding, Visa logo, and inside it, let's see what's in the box. There's some documentation, some account related query, and some schedule of charges, new Equitas by saving account. You can see it. You can pause the video and read it. Yes, another terms and conditions TNC. So this is the unboxing. Here is the debit card. So if you want to know how to open the account, comment below and I will make video on that too. So goodbye.